a t-shirt from Michael's for $2.99. Take off the sticker. I got this cute little witch's hat from the Dollar Tree. It's like wall decor. It has the little ribbon to hang it up on the wall or the door. This witch's hat is made of felt, and I'm just going to roll it up to make it not be quite as stiff as it is when it is placed on the t-shirt for comfort. E6000 glue is good for fabrics. Just placing the E6000 glue on the periphery of the back side of the witch's hat, and the portion I just put the glue on, I'm going to press it firmly onto the t-shirt and continue this process until the entire hat is glued to our t-shirt. Dressing fun, regardless if it's a holiday, doesn't have to be expensive. And I know that I love clothes, and wearing things that are fun make me be in a much better mood, and that's good for me and all the people around me. I really try to make every aspect of my life that I can fun. So look how cute this $2.99 shirt from Michael's and this $1.25 Halloween decoration from the Dollar Tree that I just used the E6000, adhered it to the shirt, and voila, you have a super cute, inexpensive Halloween outfit to celebrate the holiday. And then what is so cute is you can even add, I got these at the Dollar Tree, these little clip-on spiders here, little spiders, and I had fun by clipping them into my little ponytail holder. Just pinching the wrong side. I'm gonna pinch this into my little ponytail holder. A little spider in my head, and then I also put the little spider on my shirt. So much fun.